Hello everyone, today I will unbox this. I ordered this from eBay and we'll check what's inside. So this one is a rosary. I need to check. Oh, that's a beautiful one. Okay. They have also a receipt here. And a beautiful rosary. Looks good. Ooh. Look at this. Oh, that's so it's gorgeous. So this is the rosary I ordered. It's beautiful. And it's a big one. This one is another kind of rosary. Let's see. This is like gold something. Okay. Let's keep. Oh, that's beautiful. This is like a light, not that heavy like this one. This is so light. And this is how it looks like.